the lightning talks. So 15 minutes, 3 people, 5 minutes each, lightning, lightning, lightning. And without further ado, I will bid adieu and leave it over to you. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Erin. Most of the time I work on docs advocacy for the open source programs office at Google, but in my spare time, I run an online dictionary of English called WordNick. But I'm really here today to talk to you about using Glitch to do documentation of code and code examples. How many people here have heard of Glitch or have used Glitch or have gotten some really awesome stickers from Glitch? Great. I don't work for Glitch, I just like them. I think they're nice people. And WordNick has an API that's used by about 25,000 developers, but there's only me working on it. So it's really hard for me to keep up with helping people use the API, and most of the people who use the API are students. So, this is the WordNick Random Ipsum generator. It takes a random word from the WordNick Random Word API, and it generates some lorem ipsum for you. Let me just refresh it so you know it's live. It's not a canned demo. This is some terrible random ipsum. Don't base your random ipsum off of integers, it's a bad idea. So, Glitch is a website that lets you set up a code example. Here's the README for it. So this says, generate some random ipsum text based on a random word from WordNick's API, find out more about WordNick, and here's how you use it. You get your API key, they're free, and one of the things, there are many things I love about Glitch, but the main reason to use Glitch is it doesn't make the developer set up a developer environment. Glitch is the developer environment. And you can see on the end here, there's this little key.m file. My code runs off my API key. When someone remixes this project, that M file is wiped. And so here I have the little instructions. So I can show this code and how it works using a key that I control. The developer, they remix it, they enter their own key. So there's no credential sharing, but it just works. Here's what the code looks like. They can read the code, they know it works because they can remix it and run it once they've got their API key. And you can have basically a working code example that nobody has to download, that nobody has to install. It's all done for you so they can focus on how to actually call your API, like here, and what it actually does in a working example. The bad things about using Glitch as a place to host your sample code is it's difficult to embed on your own website. They have to go to Glitch. It also means that you have no excuse for not showing people your crappy code because it's so easy. The other thing that can be a little bit difficult with Glitch is no matter how clear you make the README, some people will not read it. This is not Glitch's fault. This is just a natural fact of the universe. I would say that if you have a very small project for which you need to make code samples that work, and you do not want to have to answer a lot of questions about how do I set up my development environment, then I would use Glitch. It's very heavily JavaScript focused at the moment, so if your audience is not heavily JavaScript focused, it might not work for you. There are ways, I think, to use Python with it. Other languages, I don't know if the Haskell folks have reached it yet. Eventually they'll get there. They get there everywhere, you know, eventually. But I would say that from the point of view of someone maintaining a very small project that has a very wide and diverse user base, that pointing people at Glitch has reduced the number of API support emails that I have to answer by a tremendous amount. And I haven't even publicized this very well yet. Just anything else about Glitch? I really thought that this would go much faster. The last thing I want to say about why I use Glitch is that the people behind it are really nice. Anil Dash, do people know him from the internets? He's the CEO. They've actually just announced that they're going to have a board seat of the company from someone in the community, and they're really looking for an underrepresented minority in tech to take that board seat, which I think is something that we very rarely see in tech companies, where people in the community have a guiding say in the actual product and guidance of the company behind it. So that's just one more reason to use Glitch, in my opinion. So thanks so much for your kind attention. Oh, I remember the last thing I was going to say. I also run the Semicolon Appreciation Society. appropriate. If you appreciate it more when it is very far away from you, I totally understand. But there are some word mix stickers and some semicolon appreciation stickers at the place where you picked up your badge. And if they're all gone, I will have more tomorrow. And that's time.